Come here, boy. This old boy's got a drink too, you know. Here. You better drink. You better drink more than that. We'll make sure he drinks. Drink more than that, that's for sure. Anyways, it's a beautiful day. Just living the life out here. Ready for some more water? You ready? I'm gonna make him drink it. Anyways, we're just on a little water break here, and that's it. We're gonna keep on heading on out of here. We're gonna be doing the big 13-mile loop today. The whole thing. And boy, sure is a nice guy, huh? We did our wheel shots, we did our sky shot already. When you got everything, all the platforms set up, it's pretty quick and easy to do that. And then when we get back, we'll put together an ensemble of a very nice movie of the sky, the wheels, the ride, everything. The same ride. It's going to be good. Anyways, we're going to chop this one off right now and see if I can get this boy to drink some more water.